Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see the market is still trading around the same zone. 4200 is still acting like a magnet. Okay, market is just revolving around 4200. And what is the reason? The reason is the upcoming Fed meeting. So you guys must be knowing that market is waiting for the Fed interest rate decision, which is coming tonight. So before the meeting, you can expect the market to remain like this only. I'm not expecting any big moves because before a major event like FOMC and APC, we usually see market in a range of market behaving silently. So throughout the day, you can expect the market to remain like this only. So if you're expecting good trading opportunities, so you may not get some good levels today. So before I proceed with the levels, okay, let me be very clear that we do not have much trading opportunities for the day because market is waiting for the FOMC and gold is trading around the same range. So what can we expect from the interest rate cut? Personally, I feel that market may not show the big move, okay, because the market is expecting rate cut. If the rate cut comes also, okay, market may not behave because market has already digested the news. So before taking any trade, be careful. If you see that, okay, market is taking a trend, for example, gold starts going up or gold starts going down, okay, and if you see the market is continuing the trend, then only follow. Do not enter right at the moment, because if you, for example, if you see the market has formed a big red candle and if you enter immediately, there is a possibility that you may get trapped also. So be careful, because the interest rate, because the market is expecting rate cut for a long time, so this is not something. Let's see if anything new comes up, then it may be surprising. Now if you look at the chart of gold here, okay, yesterday we got a perfect bounce from 4170. Okay, our range was 417065. We got a perfect bounce from 4170. So this level is still very much valid. Before the US session, or before not the US session, before the news, before FOMC, if market drops, you can expect 4170, 4165 to provide support to the market. After FOMC, if gold starts falling, okay, then we can look for a sell below 4160 that we have discussed earlier also. So if market takes support before FOMC, we can go for a buy. But if heavy selling comes, then obviously you need to avoid buy and you can look for a sell below 4163. And before the news, before the interest rate decision, for example, during the European session, if market takes support around 419590, you can look for a buy position. You can see the dotted lines here. Actually, these are two levels, but I feel that okay, this whole level will work as a zone here because of strong price rejection around this area. So if market takes support during the European session, you can look for a buy position. Okay, and what should be your target? Your TP1. Okay, your TP1 should be 4200. If you see the market has further potential above 4200, then you can continue, but your initial target should be 4200. So these are the only two trading opportunities I see on the chart of gold where we can buy. And during the European session or the US session, listen to me carefully. Okay, if market shows heavy selling pressure, or because the market is full of surprises, gold is the new Bitcoin, isn't it? Okay, if market drops with high volume, for example, if you see that there is a big red candle, okay, gold is going down with high selling pressure, you can also look for a sell below 4189 as well. My friends, you can also open your account with Vantage. Vantage is a global brand. Okay, it doesn't require any introduction because in India, okay, many of you, in fact, thousands of you are looking for a reliable forex trading platform where you can trade safely without worrying about the uh, loss of your capital. So your hard-earned money will be safe with Vantage because it's a multi-regulated broker. It's a big broker. We can see they have more than 5 million registered users. Okay, and with Vantage you can also trade directly from TradingView as well. So if you like to do your analysis on TradingView, you can do your analysis on TradingView, and also you can trade directly from TradingView as well. So they also have their own mobile application. If you do not want to do these things on your laptop, you want more convenience on mobile, then that is also available. So feel free to open your account with Vantage.com if you're looking for a perfect solution for your trading journey. The link will be in the description. And if you use our referral, you can also be a part of our WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to check out Vantage. Okay, now let's get back to gold again. So this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us. Now see, we can see market is facing resistance around 4220, around 2021 area. Personally, I feel that okay, if market breaks this zone during the European session, if market breaks, let's say 4221, okay, if you want to take the risk, you can look for a buy position as well above this area. How much you can expect in this situation? 40 to 50 pips are also good enough. But if you are looking for a normal trade, yeah, normal trade, okay, then you can look for a selling opportunity around 4229, 4230, because this previous support will be acting as a minor resistance. Keep in mind, these are not good levels, major levels. These are minor levels that we are expecting to work because of low volume in the market. Okay, so if market shows price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Otherwise, you can just avoid, because this is not the ideal market where you can expect to make good money. Okay, but if market gives us the opportunity, still you can go for small lot size. So you can look for a buy position here if market takes support, but if selling price is very high, we can look for a sell below 4163. Before the US session, we can also look for buy position around 419590 area. Okay, if US session brings high selling pressure, then as a day trader, you can also look for sell below 4189 as well. And market is choppy. Market is there is no direction in the market. Hopefully, we will get to see some direction after FOMC. So in this situation, if market goes up also, okay, it's not very clear. As we all know, that market needs to cross 4260, which is far away. Yes, market needs to cross 4260. Then only we will get a clarity about the next direction. But as of now, okay, if market breaks 4220, as a scalper, we can look for 30-40 pips. And if market reverses from 422930, we can look for a big selling opportunity. Okay, so these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of um, gold right now. Okay, things are not very good. Okay, you can clearly see the volume is less. Market is trading inside, not inside. Okay, market is indecisive for last few days. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and you can see market is constantly forming dojis and spinning tops. And this is the main reason, okay, why you guys, not you guys, okay, why we are finding it difficult, why there is no trend in the market. Okay, let's hope we will get a good pic, not good pic, at least a clear picture after FOMC. And obviously, this is the month of December. In the month of December, okay, after the second week, okay, market goes in a holiday mode. Let's see what happens. So that's all from my side, my defense. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.